So friends, Apple iPhone 16 reportedly supports faster charging than the iPhone 15 series. The company never discloses charging supports in watts on official product sites. Well, the iPhone 16 seemingly supports 39-watt fast charging, which is still less than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to the info, Apple bought 39-watt charging support to the iPhone 16 series. Reports are circulating of 45-watt fast charging functionality. However, practical testing via iUniverse indicates that the max charging speed is 39 watt, and CQC results suggest that the iPhone 16 features 45-watt wired charging. This is about 50% faster than the iPhone 15 series, which supports up to 29-watt charging. Meanwhile, the maximum support is 39 watt as tested by reliable industry sources. Samsung continues to bring 45-watt charging support in selected Galaxy devices. The Galaxy S24 Plus, S24 Ultra and M55 are some of those. It's not much higher than the 39-watt, but shows Samsung is already ahead of Apple's boosted charging functions. The newest S24 series is designed convenience in mind, and super fast charging is a key part. To ensure you can make the most of the S24's rapid charging capability, there are some requirements for that, such as compatible adapter and cable. Packed with a 5000 mAh battery, Samsung S24 Ultra typically takes around 78 minutes to fully charge from 0% using a 45-watt charger. Various factors can impact the charging speed and time to get the battery charged 100%. Next year, Samsung will launch the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Early rumors indicate that there will be no charging upgrade in the Plus and Ultra models. Yet, we expect improvements in that particular aspect through artificial intelligence. So that's for today in this video. Thank you for watching, and for more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.